Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne fixed his teeth. Yes, he's saying that he wants to show his teeth. He's fixed his smile, and so he's very happy. So, and catch the video. Join in, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to come back again to watch the next video. Thank you.
I want to hear it too. So then we can go and make a speech. You understand? I not even want to comment because Facebook is playing games right now. You understand? Only certain germs do. What you say? Only certain germs do that. Plankabas, nah, look, Pandem, she's all about her business. Right there, so girl, everybody, Panya should be about their business. Everybody, including her. And one thing me know say me, no bad mind, nobody for them things. And you Lacey, me know she's a hater of me know she's a hater. I'm very sure you're a hater. But listen, today and a fear day today. If you come out with a foolishness, come off my page, cause me I gonna end up black me. I gonna end up black you. You understand? Me tell you that straight up from now. Me no want no nonsense from you over here. I want zero nonsense from you today. Anyway, back to me I say. Last time me I go and look at jovial self and me know something on the ear of me say listen. If anybody do something I want to talk about it, me gonna talk about it. I'm not partial nobody. Me not partial Dana. Me not partial Laura. Me not partial nobody Panya. Me not partial nobody. Which means say, me neutral with everybody. Me neutral. Me not on nobody's side. You understand? That is me. What me I do? Me I go back to the person I was when I first start my page. I never partial nobody. The difference I don't know, I come from my life can chat rather than post on a video them. I understand? I know so I understand. Anyway, last night somebody tell me say, oh, the people them cuss me. And them say go listen to it, them now tell me what going on. So I say, alright, yo. Them say which part in them if I listen. Me no know if no more part in there, but me no hear the other part and me never have time to listen to know what all have 4 hours. Me not have time to listen to 4 hour live. I got no time for that. Anyway, the look part on me ear, at that part that me I got rebut pan a look part there, and I eat that. So me only hear it for myself and then we can't get down in it. Well on there. Make only hear the part for itself. Alright.
I can wrap up and don't talk. Me I play one with share. Me when you cuss me. So then I turn around cuss them. Me have one more to play now. I have one more to play anytime you don't talk. I wrap up and don't talk. Me I play one with share. Run the donors them. Don't ask me nothing about Ratty Pit. Don't ask me nothing. Social deal with them. Some of them is good. And them used to cuss me when me tell them. When me used to talk and tell them say me bad man. So when you ain't too dirty like a wine, couldn't even find time to go clean in toe. In compound my patient, so me look. Me try to keep my big toe them clean and paint them because them big, so me make sure not get them dirty. Right? And come tell me bad man and not style me. And then,
look here, man. Look here, you know what the question I want to ask? How the Plancatarian them feel today? How the whole of them feel? Some of the blogger them feel when them used to jump on the bandwagon and all day long a bad mind. How them feel now? When it have to take so long for them to see light.
So, go there. I'm going to cut you again. Some of them have no shame. Listen to me. She cuss them like dog, tell them how them a handicap, them at this. And today they are them same one a cuss me same way. After she class them get all medical report on them without them permission. And them come out a cuss for her same way. Now sorry for them, rub them.
No, but look here. If
I know why you them more. Make it up right there, sir. First and foremost, me fix up myself. Me sure say. From the day me say alright, I eat this now, Me never once compare can cuss a soul Fidana, and I will not be cussing a soul Fidana moving forward. Anybody who me cussing before for her, me sure say me extend a lot of public apologies, and me not give nobody else more apology. Who want to take them apology, take them apology. We want to take it, I don't response, I don't cater. Myself again, me not partial nobody. And me don't know what I'm mad for. Me don't know what I'm mad for. Me don't know what I'm mad for. You say, Dana call me handicap. Me can't remember at no point in time which by me here she call me no handicap. And if she call me handicap, maybe she call me handicap without my knowledge. And me can't say me hear any of that. Yes, you lady. Yes, she go put her YouTube and she taught the things them and whatever. But listen, I'm the kind of person. Let me tell you something more. What don't understand about me. Me no wall up people in my heart. Me no wall up people in my heart. Me no wall up grudges. Me don't stay so. Me no tan so. Me and Oni is in two different categories so. Yes, in go up on YouTube and talk. Yes, me already say outright I was upset. And yes, me did upset. But when if unless I'm sorry, me no wall up paper. Me nah wall up the body in my heart. Me nah wall up the body in my heart, lady. And if me go wall up people in my heart, right? If me go wall up people in my heart, it a gonna name me up. I me no want name up myself for nobody. You understand? So, yes, I'm still a cuss film. Show me what Papa wanna film me like them when me cuss film. You serious? Yeah, joke. No, yeah, joke. You must a joke. Because me sure say at no point pan none of my life them me cuss for nobody. Me tell you outright to listen, me not partial, none of owner. If me see something wanna do and me want to talk about it, me have to talk about it. And me not partial Dana, me not partial nobody panya. As long as me talk about it in a respectful way, I mean I cuss nobody and bash nobody and tear up nobody, that is where me head there right now. You understand? So me sure say you can't tell me say me cuss you fishy. I mean I'm ashamed and then call me handicap and all these things. No. Maybe me the deaf. Maybe the party slip me. Maybe it slip me. And no, me not compare contact in a no bad defense. Me say me no war. None of own no loyalty, no obligation because me realize Spania a dog eat dog. And everybody, well most of the people in Empire are tear down artists and me no want in them things here. Understand? So nobody gonna make it look like say, oh, me a cuss, me still a cuss for her. Like say, yeah, basically try to say, me want get back in on the plank them. Me done with planka, me done. And me gonna say one more time. Me don't eat Dana. If me say me eat Dana, lie me tell. And Lorraine, me don't eat neither. Me no eat none of uno. Me no eat uno. Me don't eat none of uno. Nobody, anybody who me have beef pie before. Anybody who me have beef pie before and me don't have words or 4 words. Me no eat uno. So please stop it. Now say them something about say, oh, Mr. La cuss feel like say, yeah, try say, Me desperate for that, for the people them chat back to me. No. At England, I always live at England for a reason. Me good over here, so. You need to understand, you lady, Lorraine, you need to understand. A long time, Mr. Things that go on paya, I'ma turn a blind eye to it. Right? Nobody paya, no have no lie to me. Nobody paya, no have.